What's up, you guys? It's your girl Natalie back with another video. This is the last part 3 of my closet haul. Okay, I'm ready to get these clothes out of my closet and donate them. I'll be listing some on my Depop, which will be linked in the description below. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. I still have a few more, but thumbnail. Let's get it. Okay, first things first is we have these pants. These pants are so tight on me. I wish I could stand on something to show you guys. But, and they're super tight around my ankles, so this is a no bueno. Alright, so this is the second pair of pants I have. These are cute actually, but they're high waters though. You know? I've never worn them either. I think I got these from Shein. I feel like if I have a job interview or something, I feel like these will come in handy. I think I'm gonna keep them, especially if I get like an office job, which I'm more aiming towards, like something in the tech world. I'll definitely keep these. These are actually like velvet suede, I guess, if you what you would call. Yeah, I don't know, they're high water. I feel like these are more for petite women. I'm more tall, I'm 5'7", so some of these pants, maybe I could give it a go. Okay, so these are another pair of pants I really do like. These are actually down to my ankle, which is a lot better. These are definitely something you can wear to interviews, office, work. Definitely always want to keep a pair of pants like these. I really do like these. Some of these pants I haven't worn in like so long. These are actually wide leg pants. Ooh, suck it in, girl, suck it in. Ugh. Let's get this last bit. So these are wide leg pants. I feel like they're getting really tight on me, but they're so nice. And they fit good. Let me see if I can get this little bit. Alright, I don't know if I can get it in, but I think I got one more wearing this. Yeah, I got one more wearing this. This is, yeah, I ain't giving this one up. And it feels nice too. So yeah, I'm keeping it. I feel like you can never go wrong with leather pants. I got these last year. They're a little high waters on me, but I think I could kill these with like some boots and stuff. I got these last year, so I'm definitely keeping this. Alright, here's another pair of pants, like more so for like work pants. You don't ever want to I don't want to get rid of these. These are a little bit more past my ankles, above my ankles. Yeah, these are more work pants, so I'm definitely gonna keep these. I feel like you can never like not have enough work pants. Like you outgrow them. I feel like work pants don't typically last long. So you always want to constantly have a good amount of them, especially when you work in a field that, you know, that lets you dress with no uniform. I feel like I don't want to try this on. I think I'm at a point where like these are played out and I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I'm not even gonna try it on. Lord knows I love me some baggy pants. I just feel like baggy pants are just it. I love me some baggy pants. I got these. I think I got these last year too. And the only thing is I wish they had pockets. I feel like the pockets would have like solidified this. So, but yeah, I love these. These are getting kept. Alright, so these are another pair of work pants. I had these for a good little minute. I got these from Fashion Nova and they fit good. They're really tight. But again, work pants, you always want to have more than less. Again, they're above my ankles. I think that's how they're supposed to be. I mean, that's how I bought them. Get you a nice little black blazer. Oh yeah. I'm so surprised that this still fits me. I'm really surprised. This is wide leg and it's so comfortable. This is perfect to have in the spring and summer if you live in Florida. Yeah, definitely gonna keep this. You can wear this. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. And it's super comfortable. So I am loving this. I totally forgot I had this anyway. Alright, here's another pair of like pants you can wear to work. I got this on Shein. I've never wore it either. And again, I don't have nowhere to wear it with. I feel like this is more of like office work style. So there's no point of like wearing it anywhere. Or maybe I just don't have that style mentality to kind of dress it up to wear it out. I'm gonna definitely keep this. Alright, I'm not even gonna try this on because I can already feel how tight it is. It's time to let go. These jeans were actually pitch black and they've turned into this faded black. They're cute, but they just don't fit and it's time to let go. So it's time for some new black pair of pants. This is another pair of pants I've had for a good minute and I think it's just time to let go. I think army fatigue is only good it's seasonal. You know, and what I mean by seasonal, it's seasonal as far as like once every other year, unless you find a good ass outfit. Like I feel like army fatigue jackets are like always in season, but like the pants, especially like these type of pants, yeah girl, yeah, it's time to let go. Yeah, these jeans they're not gonna go well. I could already feel it. I've had these jeans for quite a while, and the distress on them gotten wider and wider. That's why I loved it, but I haven't worn it in a while. But it's time to let it go. Let it go. This is a size, ooh, I've had it for a good while. Oh, size 5. I was gonna say, I don't even see the size on here no more. But it's a size 5, and they're JoJo or JCJQ jeans. So they gotta go. These gotta go too. They fit, but it's only a matter of time before I bust out these jeans. Even the distress area is, yeah, I gotta let these go too. These are Bob jeans, size 5. These ain't gonna go up. I'm not even gonna force them up. I don't like forcing jeans up because then you'll end up pulling on these and they end up ripping. These are deep. I don't know what these are because they faded right now. But they're a size 4, whatever that means. But they're nice. They're flare jeans. So they can't stay because they don't fit. Oh, look. These, see, this is how jeans are supposed to go up. They go up smooth like butter. And they're like flare here. Yeah, these are nice. Definitely getting kept. I think I already tried these on in my last video. These are the mom jeans. Love some distressed jeans. So yeah, these are getting kept. They actually got a little looser. Maybe I lost weight. Ooh, I already could tell. I could tell by my ankles that they don't fit. Not even gonna force it. These are Denim Jeans. They're size 28/32, whatever that means. They're from H&M, so they're not getting kept. Ooh, yeah, these ain't getting kept either. You can already tell. These are Monkey Ride jeans, original vintage, size 5 or 27. These are super nice though. They're really like good. They're good jeans, but they don't fit. Yeah, these go on smooth, so I know they don't fit. Yeah, that's how jeans supposed to get all that. Sometimes you have to do it depending on like the style of jeans, but you could just tell from the ankles that certain jeans just don't fit, and why force it? I done messed up so many of my jeans by pulling on them so much, and then like this rips. Not worth it. But yeah, these are cute. These I'm not even gonna try on because they're size 3/4, and I don't even fit a 3/4 no more, so I'm just gonna not do that to myself right now. These are a size 7. Let's see. This is the type of jeans where you, because they're supposed to be like that. They're not tight around the ankles, so they fit good. Size 7. They're Encore jeans, but eventually they're not gonna fit, especially if I keep lifting. All right, so these ain't gonna fit either. These are also monkey jeans, and they're not made to be stretched, so I can't keep them. Ooh, these ain't gonna go up either. Dang, I ain't got that many jeans no more. We have more. All right, so this is a skirt. I love this skirt. I'm definitely keep it. It's cute. I'm not even gonna try this on. I've had this for years, and this is a size small. It gotta go. I actually only wore this skirt one time. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I like this. Goes to my knees. Yeah. This I already know fits, so I'm not even gonna try it on. I just wore this in August, so I know it still fits. It's a medium. This I've had for a good minute, and I think it's time to let go. But this is probably one of my favorite styles of skirts. I remember when I first got this didn't fit me good. Now look. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely keeping. These are 2 of the same style of the last one, and I'm gonna get rid of these. I think it's just time to let go. I've had them for too long. I've had this for a long time, and I'm not even gonna try it on because it has to go. Yeah, these white shorts, I can already tell they're not gonna fit. This ain't even my style, so no. Literally just got these, so I'm gonna keep these. I actually like how they look on me, even though they look like drawers. I just got these 2, they're wide legs. Keeping. These are another set of work pants that I like, so I'm definitely gonna end up keeping these 2. Okay, these pants are actually a set. Comes with this little top. I think I'm gonna end up keeping this, although I already wore it, but I like this outfit, so I'm keeping it. I'm not sure if I've ever wore this. Comes with this little top, but I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, I think it just doesn't go well with me. Okay, last batch. It's a little tight, but it's supposed to be. had this for a while. I think it's time. Well, let me try it on. Yeah, no. Another green skirt. Yeah, that I'm gonna keep. Yeah, this looks good. Keeping. Here's another skirt, like the one I'm giving away. I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is a romper and I'm keeping. Now this needs to be considered loungewear because the way this thing fits. This is a two-piece outfit. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the photos, or if you look at my intro and my outro, just as the outfits. And I'm definitely gonna keep this. This is a good vacation outfit. I feel like I'm gonna keep this. This is a sweatshirt and it comes with some sweatpants. This is something you want to keep when it's cold. It comes in handy and it fits loose, so I don't think it'll ever be too tight on me, so I'm gonna keep it. The fact that I still have this is crazy. It has to go. The fact that I still have this, like, look at it. It is a jumpsuit and I've never wore it, and I feel like I should wear it one of these days because it's like a birthday outfit. So I'm gonna keep it for now. I can already tell this fits. This is a romper and it's wide leg, and I think it opens in the back, I think. So it's getting kept. Surprised it still fits. It's a small. This is a jumpsuit. I think I'm gonna keep this. This will come in handy. These are one of those casual outfits you can dress up with, like an oversized jacket. I never even wore this out. I only wore this to take pictures in. And it fits so good. It's wide leg. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this one so it still fits. This gotta go. I've had this for so long. My sister gave this to me. She's had it for so long. It's time to let go. I didn't even know I had this in my closet. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. This is cute too. I didn't even know I had this. I have a lot of black jumpsuits. Here's another one. I'm definitely gonna keep this. It's another one that you can dress up, actually like this, and wear with an oversized jacket. So it's time for me to buy some oversized jackets. Alright y'all, that is it of this series. I am all done with this closet haul. A lot of my clothes are going to shelters, donations. I am listing some of them on my Depop, so go ahead and check that out. The link will be in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.